Good morning, everybody. This is Stan Slaughter down here at Seeds of Life Garden, part of the climate-friendly yard makeover sponsored by Missouri Organic Recycling. And today we're doing a fertilizing trip. It's actually a fertilizing with liquid. We've got my barrel, my trusty Ryobi battery-powered pump, about 100 feet of hose, and we've been watering all kinds of plants. This is a row of green beans, a bed of beets, a whole bunch of crops, kale and cauliflower and a red kale. The tomatoes are big. I've got to build a trellis for them. They're getting too tall. We've watered a whole bunch of hills of squash, some peppers, some basil, different rows of climbing squash and pole beans and cucumbers. And over here is our new strawberry bed. And there's 75 strawberries here. This is one right here. And every little stick, even these tiny babies, are coming up. And by fertilizing them now, we give them a great start and give them the nutrition they need. And then as we get into the summer, all we'll be able to do is just add regular water. The fruit trees have bloomed. We had our first cherry off one of the cherry trees yesterday. I picked it with my grandson. He got to eat one. I got to eat one. Just can't hardly beat this stuff.